What is HTML attribute? HTML attribute represents additional instruction for HTML element. For example, if we have 3 paragraphs, and if we want to place every single on different part of screen, we can use align HTML attribute. So align will be instruction that will place paragraphs on different part of screen. Of course, beside of align, there is whole list of HTML attributes. What HTML attribute contains? HTML attributes usually contains 2 parts: nameOfAttribute and valueOfAttribute. For our previous example, nameOfAttribute is align and valuesOfAttribute are left, right, and center. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate or PayPal. Please remember, even little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.